Dogecoin holders, I want to give you guys my opinion on where I think the market's headed here because we are seeing a lot of volatility in the space, constant moves to the upside with constant quick slaps back down. Where are we headed here? Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black C and I have another video for you guys. We're talking about Dogecoin, so hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop in this video. All right, guys, so we're going to start off on the Dogecoin price chart. And man, oh man, this volatility has been very, very sharp and abrupt. I think there's going to be continued volatility as there's the first crypto president of the world in the United States. I think that there's going to be a lot of volatility until this settles down in the next coming weeks. I think starting tomorrow on market open, we're going to see a more clear idea of where the market wants to be headed. But until we get into mid-February, I think there's a lot of room for trappy, confusing, lots of confusion, and I do expect there to be a lot of uncertainty in where we're headed here until we see price action develop into mid-February. But when you look at Dogecoin by itself right now, you have a green dot on Market Cipher indicating a potential bottom, and we're starting to move our way up. Yes, we are getting smacked down pretty hard here, but if you look at this, we're still holding this trend line to the upside. When you zoom out a little bit more, you can kind of get a better idea of where we're headed here. The trend is still bullish and we're still holding up on it. But the question is, where are we headed here? Guys, if you do want to take advantage of this crazy price action that we're seeing, all these new volatile meme coins, if you want to short the new Trump or the Melania coin, or you want to long it because you think it's going to absorb all the liquidity in the cryptocurrency space, then check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign-on bonus to Blowfin, as well as a 15% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account. Guys, take advantage of this. No other exchange is offering this right now, and the 15% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account is pretty unheard of, so I really recommend you take advantage of it. It's a limited time offer. And honestly, the market's going so crazy, having these new meme coins get launched and absorbs all its liquidity, creates a lot of volatility. And if you're a leverage trader, you can really capitalize on a lot of that volatility. So looking at Dogecoin right now, we're sitting at rank 7, up about half a percentile in the 7 days. But we're down about 4.3% in the past 24 hours. When you look at this, we're sitting at a $50.9 billion market cap. All-time high this cycle was about $66 billion. And we also are seeing an $8.14 billion 24-hour volume. That's quite significant, but I will say that right now, it's almost like the market is at a standstill and only Bitcoin is really shifting significantly. And these altcoins, these meme coins, I should say, I won't even call them altcoins, like the Trump coin and the Melania coin. And there's so many rugs and scams coming out, guys. You need to be careful right now. People trying to capitalize on this new meme coin market that's being created in front of our eyes. You need to be careful. But regardless, Department of Government Efficiency was just created today, and I do think that Elon Musk is probably going to be touting Doge a lot. I do think that we'll probably see Dogecoin make a big move at some point here, but the question is, when do we see that move? I think that we're going to have a lot of uncertainty, confusion for the next couple weeks here until we get into mid-February, like I've been saying. Over on Crypto Twitter, you can follow me at 333BlackC. I say, how high will the total crypto market cap reach in 2025? And this is a photo of this is the entire cryptocurrency asset class as a whole, trading around $3.4 trillion, the T, not billion. And we did come and double bottom test the previous all-time high last cycle of $3 trillion, and we're bouncing off it. And I want to know what you guys think. Let me in the comment section below. How high do you think that cryptocurrency as an asset class will reach? What will the market cap reach in 2025 or this cycle? Do you think we'll get above 4 trillion, 5 trillion, even 10 trillion? Or are we going to flip the market cap of gold around 18 trillion? I'm very curious on what you guys have to say about that, because right now, I'll be honest with you guys, it seems pretty toppy, I have to say. Now, that doesn't mean that I've sold everything. And guys, this is why I preach. I take profit along the way up. I've been taking profits along the way up, because I do think the rug will get pulled out from underneath us at some point. And there's definitely a lot of top signals happening right now. But if you were to go off strictly technical analysis and past cycle theory, the 4-year cycle theory, then it would go and show and tell you that we have much more time left in 2025, which I do believe that just because you see top signals does not mean that the top is in. It just means that the market's getting overheated and, we're probably should be taking some chips off the table. But when you look at the entire market right now, Bitcoin's trading at 102,000. Yesterday, we broke all-time highs, and we're seeing these 5 to 8% swings happening left and right, left and right. It's so volatile right now. Ethereum still $3,200, $3,300. Guys, you really want to see this rally if you want to see Dogecoin perform well. The Trump coin is down 27, 28% in the past 24 hours. Big sell-offs. I don't know if you guys can see that on the screen. Let's see if I can zoom out here. Yeah, now you can see pretty deep in the red there. But regardless, guys, we have to be patient. I do expect when you look at Bitcoin dominance, like I said, we're trading at 58.86% right now. We're getting a little bit of a rally here. I've been saying, I do expect a little bit of a rally here on Bitcoin dominance. I would not be surprised if we come up here and test this rising wedge that we broke out of, which was the breakout point. We could come up to say 60% because, listen, guys, if a Bitcoin strategic reserve gets launched and Bitcoin makes that leg to new all-time highs, it's going to absorb that liquidity and people are going to sell their alts and they're going to buy Bitcoin. People on the sidelines are going to buy Bitcoin. And it's probably going to be setting us up for a much longer bull market. When it comes to altcoins, I think altcoin season will be kicked down the road a little bit further if we do see that happen. And I wouldn't be surprised to see that play out sooner rather than later. Like I've been saying, guys, we need to be patient here. I think that we're going to be getting a lot more clarity in the next couple weeks on Bitcoin. When it comes to technical analysis, that's kind of how I'm seeing the price action play out. Probably by mid-February, we're going to know, okay, are we getting ready to test $114,000, $120,000 Bitcoin? Or are we looking for a longer corrective period? Regardless, I'm bullish. I think that especially for Bitcoin, and when Bitcoin goes up, guys, you know that alts will perform well. It's just a matter of when, not if. Maybe this is much more like the 2017 cycle where Bitcoin stole the show for 99% of the bull run, and then the last couple months, it was an absolutely disgusting rally for altcoins, but it was a very short-lived altcoin season. I've wrote some theses about that over on crypto Twitter. If you want to follow me at 333blacksea, I go in depth about that because it is this bull market is very strange and it's different. But guys, no bull market will be the same. Sure, they may be similar, but they're never going to be the same. If you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Also, please go follow me, 333blacksea, Instagram, Twitter, and also, guys, Blowfin, 15% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account. Take advantage of this volatility in this market because, man, I think that we are going to be having some significant volatility here in the next coming weeks and months. That's all I got for you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.